Welcome to Studio Flow. I am Jenny Grant. Have you ever felt that your creativity is changing? You can feel really inspired, really creative, and produce and paint and create a lot. And then sometimes you feel really tired and you have no inspiration at all. And sometimes you're just stuck. I filmed my class Seasonal Flow through a whole year. I started in the spring, created a lot of cards that I brought with me through the whole year. In the summer, I created in different places and I brought my creative cards with me to see what happened when I created in different places. In the autumn, I used my creative cards as inspiration for a painting. And in the winter, I curled up in the couch. I created an art journal out of the cards and doodled and wrote in my art journal. So the inspiration through the year changes. And in Seasonal Flow, I will bring you through all the seasons. We will start in spring and follow each other through the whole year and see how our inspiration changes through the seasons. The class is all about letting go, just doing, just feeling, and follow that creative flow and the changes through the season. Be nice to ourselves and stop listening to that inner critique that tells us that we're not good enough. Seasonal Flow is all about finding flow in all these different up and downs through the creative flow.